You've just picked up that truck? You're too tall. It's quite big. How big is the chaudière?
Smaller than this. No, it's like as big as a fridge, I think.
So tomorrow we're picking up our boiler, which is going to go into this corner. So we need to clear that, and we're also prepping the sunroom overall to try and welcome the new addition. So Tom's gonna paint those windows because we don't want the UV light to be yellowing and bleaching out all the appliances in here. Okay, can you repeat that joke you just made, please? Because I thought it was really funny.
Who am I right now?
I don't know.
20th century historians.
Alright, space has been cleared. Tom's painted all of those windows, so it's nice and private. Yeah, looking good.
What's it called?
La Fond,
Grand font.
just La Fond, but let's just follow the Grand Font one. Oh, you know, we're supposed to be a minute away, so it's gonna be one of those houses.
Well, presumably Le Font and Le Grand Font are not far apart.
You'd hope so.
Alrighty then. One second.
Je t'aide ou quoi?
Okay.
Je crois que c'est bon.
Yeah. Okay.
You're saying you're happy with this quality of looting?
Yeah. It's not going anywhere. That's fucking heavy. So we got two sides, a back, and then the front is open, yeah? Is that everything?
I think so.
Yeah, say two. Okay.
That was it. Oh my god, I thought it was the stuff in the back falling
Anyone
down.
coming?
Nope. It was just a tree. Anyway. So?
That was tough.
That was
heavy.
we seriously underestimated the size of the task, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's in. That man was so nice and helpful.
Thank God.
Thank God, yeah. And now we have a boiler. Well, in the back of a truck, but soon we'll have a boiler.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy. Goes down faster. No. It's the hard bit. Fuck me. Okay. It didn't break.
Success.
Neither did my back.
Well done.
Okay, shall we?
Yeah.
I think that's about what we wanted, right?
Mm-hmm. So today we actually received the best card ever from Charles and Ellie. How amazing is this? How talented is Charles, huh? Looks so good. It actually made me feel way better about our house, because sometimes I look at things like this and I'm like, oh, good grief, what have we done? Then I saw this and I thought, oh, that's beautiful. Got me all excited. So thank you so much, Charles and Ellie. This is a beautiful card. We're gonna frame it.
No words, so
All right.
that's a bit insulting.
Let's see. Yeah, that looks
We
good.
could tie something to cable, do some more cable ties.
Look at us getting a sofa and a TV all on the
Love it.
same day. Thank God Gustav's visiting, otherwise we'd keep living in squalor.
Yeah, we need to just have more guests to come so we don't live as such animals.
This feels like a very industrious house today. Yesterday Tom put the TV and the couch up. So exciting. And Gustav is visiting, so he's working on his car. I'm going to be painting. Tom's going to help out. We're all getting involved. It's fun. Anyway, time for this to get painted. What are you doing today?
We are going to get some parts for the Land Rover.
Okay. What am I doing today?
Painting. Looking good.
Almost there.
4 more coats.
I'm ignoring the corridor.